Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make delicious mixed vegetables, only way. Start by washing and chopping vegetables into uniform bite-sized pieces and heat a large skillet with 2 tablespoons of oil. Sauté aromatics until fragrant, then add firm vegetables first, softer ones later. Season with salt, pepper, a splash of soy sauce, and a pinch of sugar to balance. Finish with fresh herbs and a squeeze of lemon for brightness. Use a high heat and keep vegetables moving for even caramelization and crisp tenderness. Trim and dry vegetables thoroughly so oil sticks and steam reduces. Cut pieces uniformly so cooking times match, and stagger additions by density. Use a heavy pan to maintain temperature and avoid overcrowding, which causes steaming. Taste and adjust seasoning at the end to preserve texture and bright flavors. Try a splash of vinegar or sesame oil at the end for an extra layer of flavor. Experiment with flavor profiles like garlic ginger soy for Asian notes, olive oil garlic lemon for Mediterranean, or cumin coriander for a warm spice blend. Add toasted nuts or seeds for crunch and a creamy element like yogurt or tahini on the side. Serve over rice, quinoa, or with crusty bread, and garnish with herbs, citrus zest, or a drizzle of flavored oil to elevate the dish. Make extra for leftovers because flavors deepen overnight.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.